Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the voice shutter on Android. So if you want to take a picture quickly without having to click on or touch your screen, this is what you are going to do. You can use this voice shutter. So you can just only say cheese to take photos. Let's try to enable that feature first on your camera. So you can open the camera on your phone and then go to the camera settings, click on this gear icon, and then go to the more settings. Scroll down until you find the shutter options. So just tap on that, and you can see now the options available activate now. It's only a palm, so I'm going to just enable this. You can see you can just say cheese to take photos, so just enable the options. Okay, click on this to agree, click on agree, and let's try if it's work. Let's see. You can just go back and let's say cheese. Okay, so it works. Now the photo is taken like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.